asem yidiko asem yidika asem yidiko asem yidika
inna beka
akwasi insia
commander 6
kalo sedi atie
there we have catch us here in Nyamesuro obuo kwan so ele besom ye man Ghana yensuro Nyamesuro nipa ba ye mu nipa animtia ye beka ne se ne hu ne se tie na ni atimi ada ho anpa be chia bia ohwe bia Nyamesuro so ajebre na ohwe Badwam on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 yes to me and so ewo YouTube then obet me here live so Adom TV extra Adom TV extra share mobi enye bi enhwe medin de akwasi ensia asemi de kabre enaso meka so de biada so de samna be su niema ma nye jama soap ene adepam season 3 ye ekoso nua na niema ye pam ekoba nyina ye di asia ne sa me say it is hard on death but soft on skin and pound ye many his never told me say jama soap so to a ene hono bo amakoma kunuma no fabra Adom TV ye ne Joy FM ene die nhwe kokokomlemre nkran ura wakasa kwa tim asaka bi eba famane no no maju achede famre ho umpe na apede omna so asne me afi ye de adepam season 3 ebro anapa kobo etiawa share story we here wo adomonline.com share screen so or TV no so share story wo adomonline.com nkomo na ba bedim chilling account of how house help murdered his madam in cold blood in Kumasi. Abemua obi afan so ne kwa akotena. Enye so ne tena se kwa o. O manu obedi, o manu obehye. Man ba biada, wo sumi so wasa tua de ka. Sikani bre. Hwe ne abemua na ye. Enye abemua enko asem ne egina so de aka asem. Bese bosumi bako entem nie sa ensem se bi asisi menya MPs ministers ya afre eka chesa kosi ene se wonno driver practical mu a na yem class a show even to pick a call dia na tie se ya mabunu so yin dia na afede atede se Ghana e mabunu so yin sikani brebe sunsuma bewura yamu e wo mem afede se nipa e kom ne yonku nipa kra dia pesika wonwe hu because the aim no e se menye sika no and on the house empty ade be chinu awia no okọ o driver this come and so fa kuma pani bi pam no de adwane sa shubo no anu ya yede what is happening Ghanaian youth Ghana mabunu die na AC die na ekoso ye beyama papa ye asa ewo man ti America osimo sura mo se na na o man fa hye mabunu nsa they are not ready and mabunu seems not to be ready see be brianka see mo jeni ni yenya a success story yenye crowd for that and a konya me for so many sicantem boom all of a sudden akosi se person de kositwum yepe no be Joy FM next be Adom FM Adom TV hate love inshira Joy Prime Joy News opie ni nyina bi at a go forget some more timidity about 28 years akosi nsie ni sabotre no to go through this meal opese one do beso na account me bam $500 million na gum this is the kind of mentality here Ghana maburu bi ekutane ne the aim say ye pesikan tentem ye pesikan dudu so no e haye e kuye a bed na mpanfuet nye gidie wemu because ye antreni wa Yesu Kristo kure shara de adoma chede kura dom no kura free so bae no okwanda training ono no kuta adom akyɛdeɛ dada yɛ ɔno firi soro bae no ɔkɔ under training ɛna yɛde yɛmpɛ sɛ yɛbɛkɔ training nim adɛn sika yɛ megyina me ka kyerɛ sɛ sika yɛ ade bɔne a na meyɛ nipa bɔne ni because da bia me ka kyerɛ sɛ dwuma a meyɛ ɛna me kwan aka na fua nwɔtwe na owura kwasi twuma da no watwa me ka metwɛn sɛ megye sika ɛyɛ ɛkwan a yɛfa so a yɛpɛ sika no ɛno ne ɔhaw no awofoɔ yɛyɛ ada yɛsɛdeɛ so ɛna ɔbaatan papa ɛtumi ne ba ɛntena se ɛnni nkɔmmɔ that kind of African mentality say papa ni akwadaa ntena se ni nkɔmmɔ no ɛyɛ yɛntwam. Let's get close to our children. And then you amu bokro no edi ewunkua o and na ohimi tabia a documentary bi enkwada as low as 7 years ebokro commit suicide. 7 years or commit suicide. Wokono no akwada na kasa de ade akyekere aso ne kon. 7 years akwada ehye ne ho akomfuo. This is a challenge. I will fall rise up. I will fall sorry. Ye pesika eye. Ye betwa akwada school fees eya de pa. Ye beto ntare, ye beto maduane, ye betwa danka, ye betwa kan, ye betwa nsuo eye but na time ma oba. Time ma papa de betre fini ne ma atras ye di nkomobo kura no no de pie. Nya time. Nya time. No ye adwuma ma no kura wo home. Nya time. Edere ye mantimi ma ye nkyɛn ene ye medi nkomo. Ena ewura ma na namra be piem sɛ ye ma ne kɔ abɔnten a wɔgye wɔnamfo nsɛm di ɛkyɛ ya wo for nsɛm because ontimi ma no no ɔbɛhyɛ. Afu ye mie ye ntaba mu fa ma ye ba. Establish a relationship between no ba. Ma oba feel comfortable e wo fie yen kan se bio jan ma akora no ensei baba ne feel se wa ba fie enye papa kakai tete mere bi se papa ba fie na hey papa ba fie tira obi ahwo so no because near wo ye wadwe some person ba kire no obesu na bonten 10 times ni obenya daje acheche no na tell say yes we ya wo hwere eya ne papa na mom wo hwe kodu wan ma sunsun so sere wo no because wo nya time ne nti no obekọ na dafo akodi sa komo no dafo no so limited nimdi wa de kro akabale na akwada 7 years o hye ne ho akonfo e bale na abamu 23 years 25 years afi sakawa ene mabuna tie sisui baby anyoye. But who is carrying the youth along? Wanya? One carry a mabuno along. As is a konya wonam so e slippery kwan eso etro. This is someone sa ni ayon kakra amwafo. Why na so sa mabunu nsa? Obi aso oni time. But so woba ekwa abonte kobokro no na wanya bia ne last resort e fi ofiri mukoye so bana ofi se ene wo say onfa wonya wasem because o so be kwa abonte please for beche no so okokro no bona wanya bi wa abonte a ne last resort e fie na ofiri mu ekoye no is what you say emfa wo a e be fa ho dabi. Namya so fon kai mabunu mpaibom baby ade keka ko na ya ye hu ene pani bi fa kwada akora natena na ne yem hyehye no na ne yem hyehye no uhwe ona mo sisile abrada pa issue ya Yes, mamana sem no see hwehwem sika ne free hefa e hwan dia e sika trene but akwada 30 years akofa $1 million. Akwada 22 years atimi amwa $1 million asesa ne kakra ye mu nhie asoman $1 million US. Osi buye hu Senen offer na dollar no to see no best at 12 cities and 12 million Ghana cedis. Tetisika 120 billion. And ye can wasem no. Unim fear some do become. This is the challenge here to us of mine. Politicians that are wonder. Because a Jumadia way no or no one to be start driving the home. Obey your driver. Politician in the driver take mu elko no eja kwantifi because driver na ye call amabo esabejira kwa ahụ. Baby cross some team pick cause omo akasa kra kemu. Cause oslo komo obedi driver or driving. Why are we giving ourselves so loosely for opportunities to be yourself by abrabo me yakase nya so mfa so ekosa. But there be a mechanism way. Let's continue as a mind and provide hope for your mebruno. Hope. Your mebruno here and it does so. Your mebruno omu here and it does so. Because a ya come here say mebruno cho mani hwe bekum even fa wo hunu da chiri ye papa. Da chiri na dana ni no wo hunu ne papa. Ya na ene se de bra na wo bo ne no de wie na ne bekeka ko si ya na mekọ akọ wie no obi na ka asem se bi medi hia kọ bonsam je ne ka bepes ka makọ bonsam je mpreko. Let's provide hope. Ghana mpanefo amanyofo awofo asori, let's provide hope. Emapunu na ye no motesese no omu hia and that show say ampa mebre am boy minim say ene na asani akwese aye nwunwura but akire no enkurumdi bu wajire. That hope is what emapunu ni hia see ka say say ne that so sa rehyebu ni akotoso no ena emapunu na epe omabamu ye bu omu fi se ne ma jensemu oto ayenton okopo bia tonso wonya binto ena mama binu bebre abetre wi asama na kwakwa se they have nothing to lose. One na mu sa agidie ni arese mu se o hwere won kwana you've lost a lot. One na mu sa arese mu one na mu sa entetere mu se enye enam kwane ne o en say ebeye no so se bi enye yamofafa ne de eka ebeye na ye ka no ye ka with actions. Ama mabunu se ampa ye mpelifo ka kire se ye nyine ho ne ye mobra no ampara se ebeye na hye no ne yogokom so kire se ebeye ampa sane da so na mabunu hia. We need to provide them leadership. Mabunu ne bre me Canada ene mama yire ama mabunu no ebre ene mpanfu ebeche se kwakra se ne chekra ye den ko so mko pen ye nyebe obeda be cheche kakra ne hye ne botom no mabunu ne bre mpanfu da bia meka so ye pani ne ye de usi adedie anu a ka ehunu se nipa pempem enkom daach mu ye yo ene de ato nsem no emfa nwura topre nanu metu kwanko esire mochi baby the free by asma meka kire mo se so ye pani bia wo free hanom na so nye de bre wa bam na se ubebo abra wo se po so si kromo akebo. Do you know why? Because situation amanfo na mu no wo free mu e bi na eba wo awunyehia na amanfo na mu no enu emu na wo free betu de wo tiase mo e na bedru so na free wa dwena sesen umie mama brenda ache papa no se o mane ya kase mai so kun ho de amane man a o kire benya so mfaso enyem faso na sabi nyina ba ya honom ba ono pokura nya sabi ne hu ni bi betimi makasa ampa me hu am bebo afore de ma me man Ghana no enne me hu nipa e di so mfaso. The hope. Mr. President, where is the hope? Mr. Minister, hope no away. MP, hope no away. Ye mabru no ehwehwe saden. Ye mom sane daso. Ye mom sa awrehye ne ahotoso ne se oman no beye ye ye de nhyehyɛ egu akoma eche se ampa se oman ye be ma na ye. Ne ma ni brebone no emra fom. Etimi ko baso be ko politics na no nansa no aye se tam. Emabru no hu a odwen atu ma dwendwen. Na no me ka kire o. Obi a kira de mfinhye aduasa ba ko 31 years onye ko hwiri nye tutubotom ni asase tompo ya ye ne den ni nua no one ne nam na omu wie university kro na o ko wura amanyosemu mfie na mfie nwotwe a wato fie o islego ohunu bedi yaw enye sna ni bre no mom yen create certain avenue bi wo baby mane nkonko se ahanko ade onya kwahye nko ade abam enye lotto. Politics is not lotto. Enye game of chance. Eye sum na obesum se teacher ni, wo sum se nurse ni, wo sum se doctor ni. Ti mane nkonko se wo ko rama nyosemu a wo de lotto bi no akwakodi. Debi. Amenke ho. Debi am catch us for two teams nyam ubompa ya bompa se nyam me akandifo papa a adwin o my Ghana kanko ene punto ne yeyo bedin dia kwasensia ana fe Facebook wa search for Adom TV ba heba sort of for men ka se wapo umpom unompemu o how bia bamu a Ghana ono nko ane bia ya gye atum se ohwe nompemu yade emu bia hu se ampa ba nko anche de okwa bibia bewie e de ama is fa nompemu yade bia de menka enya bi enfrimu hwehwe ba heba ewo enkran tema lashibi tema committee 16 lashibi oben Bawas club no ehon masaso kuma se atonsu agogo owo agogo hospital no achiwa bi na frɛ 0244 083482 and 0273 500012 ba heba se expert in bone related diseases. Saso na Adom City Estate in Sunim ba to be si fie beto dan na pa bia tena so betimi adwo Adom City Estate America for the amount okọ mo nchen a ensuo nkane akwani nyina eda na akwan so bibia fine security so ya tight papa as low as 300,000 Ghana cedis so betimi atofie atnem ye wankasa odia onko renti ebiem okọ mo chance omufie no mo ton no okakra okitani ye mfanto ase emfama ye ma ambre no twetwe de kan kakra se na be ya ho betimi ha obeso oto de bom su so akwanya so ehonum ene ba bia betena osum badwu ene bia ya ehia pa Adom City Estate eni also 2 bedroom 3 bedroom detached and semi detached na face 3 bedroom executive detached and so ehon frɛ 0308 250 068 0308 250 068 Grace Gift and so eni yade be na mpacho etete wako ase entimi entu apart from Sebi obi a wonya etwere efum finhia be se bebreni unso oni efrem inflation be se edunum eko eni saa yade ne free mu a yade bi efri ni padua people na so de o de call Grace Gift Herba so ya obeboa eto ase e de ama hwemo ewo Kumase Oshim School Junction off Barikesi Road Nankasa eso enkran so new Achimota Petroleum on the Farmic International School no ND and hwefre 0244 126 123 and 0246 518 003 Grace Gift Herba Clinic omko na achen a obetimi abotu yade ase ede amawo. Belated happy birthday enkoma miakasa me younger brother Nana Koku Oware yeta fro chief Asante Mampon enra na odi birthday nyame nhyira no nyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa. Once again happy birthday so to Nana Adjoa Ado we firi ma eno nana nhonom omso mo do nana nyame enhyira no onye okese kopem se obeye kese pa. Then happy birthday to Victoria Ama Ata Ajewa Arthur. And also your birthday. We free unuanom obusunyafo enyina nchen. Omso wish you all the best. Abejafo atena se bra so se ebedi inkomo. Alhaji Ahmadu Sorugo a former MP from Medina constituency. So that Ernest Kumi and a former parliamentary candidate ma MPP Amyoku ewo Akwatia in the Eastern region. Or say ko primaries no emu MP for Besa Ajeneso.
MPP for
no mapejano edino abiko. Bidi the Akwasi is here. Alhaji Ahmadu Sorugo bako die.
Minua
ehye
na sa Ghana de sa ade chena sa wonya nsuo enum na ohun ato na police mebo wo dan chinchi wa anache sa wo de na ase amarade because wo sorry a wonim na ebesi chena yete ekura wonim the next minute na ebesi enti ne tambia na mane de ho ahye awrade nsa anya sa de alhamdulillah me dom nyina ye ho ye se ade achi because me no ka se se kokolebo a obi miewani num kakra biewa no onya obi person ko bie nani hu wiase de we sitie onya obi person watese nkrofo baaba o ma no person ko tie ne ekoso nyame ama no obi person obie nani no hu wiase awia te sei ama no enti se nyame aboa na watimi asore anante adidi abedru ha why shouldn't you praise him also de na ase kese ma no ne aka ne de yenya yenipa na na create a problem yenya nso e be fa so ne resolve problem no nti alhamdulillah ho ye
ene se hye
kwesi nyame ni medini ye
Akwatia te sei
nyame adom boko
efomo ye
nyame adom efomo ye
omo se
se we say I can see the before bekum na so tie nyame na tie nipa ne na so hwe de we ni amasiti so far ne de nyame adom nyame aka no so de nyame odi ahye adwuma paase no odi ye bebe wie pa nti nipa dodo na ahwe mu nim se emre ne beso e beko akoto aba na nyankopon ahye ne ho anwunyam na alaji na anope minim boni awakodi a osuru se police veche malaji ni body there mo osuru se police va body because umbo krono a what is a pie krono confirm so at as
woni my dear friend stray bullet woni my dear friend stray bullet yeah ma tuo na boy dan woni me history woni stray bullets ba yokodi boni no how no kwa na so wa ugina kwa no so be odinyawo
okay just stray
me say unim stray bullets. That's a simple question.
Yeah.
So unim stray bullets. Say stray bullets. The nyama no one. Onim baby a oko. Ni o ujina
no betimi akoye de abekam.
Masa, ene da nkrofo bibre ho police for no. Echeche nkrofo a ene omanu omo ho pacha o. Ente ne masa. Eno de ade china wo ba.
What?
Ya ba ne be ye bia. Ni aye ne awose ye. Ni mra no aye.
Sure.
But obi o wa ono kro ni mra no de mra ebi nso de mra na she ombotom. Ene omo interpreting the way omo pe. But
happy birthday, come on, Mrs. Patience Adinkra. We free Wakasa Kru, Emmanuel Adinkra, won't to be TV on. We're so sure. All the best, Yaminsta, and he loves you to the max. Alaj, another demonstration. Hashtag Occupy Julobi House. 49 arrested. And they hear him say, please, for say, court.
Oh, so almost release Omina. That's someone release Omina.
Bail.
Mama bail. Masa, let me first and foremost tell you, say. Ghana hanomi nim maybe I was say the constitution ye sang defining the role of the police.
Okay.
First no na your police near from a police force. Omo the brute ahoden yes there be police anya police obeye adwuma be ye no ejina sabe me ne so information e be ye assistance e de be ma say police ne ba ko pesha atade na akọ dwom say wo kwa akọchi obi a because of what I did, no others never holding in an bebo. Ye jaw kwa untimi nyahwe. Nti no enye police force. I was say a police service. And the name was changed from police force to police service. To make it friendly. Ebe yes, munyina motifa kon bibia ni anemwa ye ho. Anu nti na ye ni police service. So area police for most of them says omonte barracks.
Yeah.
Omutete nkrofo private houses are high. Uba Medina, uko Washington, ye freba bi.
Housing house.
Yes, housing tin why any be bre. Police for gumsa, womoni civilians nyina say na be ya e beba together. And it shouldn't happen say police in any beba be the enemy of the people are they are supposed to serve. So, Mamin Cow, 1978-79, Namo University of Ghana. There was a problem in here, and omukum police for either mistakenly or whatever. Omukum student by one friend Parima, I think. Say me memory is a writer. I'm a student, University of Ghana student. Yes, sorry demonstration. University of Ghana, Science and Technology, and then Cape Coast. The three universities, Eji Ghana Boso, police ni or ba will be a run attire and or the Shabagim, Obesan Kofo, and I'm singlet, Nika, no a police ni. Because the police became the enemy of the people. Students here marching from a campus. I was part of it. About town, police cow, police Daniel, hey, brutality, basa. Emma, kaya ba police kaya ba so much na to no BS no majaka no mo dimini ko bia ko read them or changing ho because police ni ya Emma or many civilian no ebeye say enemies, which shouldn't happen. I don't think he said that is what the current police are crying for. Masa, demonstration. Ansa na Nana Akufo-Addo. Yeba be musa Nana Akufo-Addo ni no. If free demonstrations so. Okay. Yechere Nana Akufo-Addo we back 138 demonstrations no aye. Na fa manfo bi say kumi preku sie mi preku wie mi preku die preku. Nana we ya woni mu akoko check. Demonstrations be bre. No ye no die anymore. I am a right. I am constitution. So yeah, BBA. So this can be called control. There be government. BB. Mintiase. Me baba catch was mintiase. The police service is to guide them. The police service is not supposed to give authority, no, to give permission. That is not what the constitution says. Public order law, nature say at least send a beya police service no. Who tax? Me tax. Demonstrators ne tax. Need it to omuka. Into service no I was so protect him say na be ya obia e bia nipa duasa ba ko bi de naja be sen ayese wanya nkate bibre na ba ko bi nya akoto wanum into ne yen protect. Say demonstration at those days 79 Rollins time nyina na Akufo-Addo ye demonstration abekana till time we no be ye president no obia nche no obia mono obia nyese ya. What has changed today? Hey, yes, a court. See, I tried to reach some of the leaders. When you also be one in Saka any injunction. Yeah. Nobody. You besides the police for the money come out. Why? That is the question one can say. Besides, why no money come out? Because near yet to crown is a court no crown granted. As to whether that is true or not, at this time, on a no. But the police, service, why? Say, Musemo Kochuomo for contempt. I mean, you are not the people. You go back to the court. That is the rule of law. That is democracy. You go back to the court and tell the court to say, court way. Ye ba moho, semon fata bon and to somo ma yen. As on kofono, woman tie yen, almost omo kwa koye, enti contempt. Na court no aka say, eni amunchi akwa munchi na contempt a chuomo. Who police no unka say because you say yen nyina yesika ye de bom akoto tuo akoto armored cars akoto ntade akoto che akoto kontiba ade ama ato boot no sanfa saniama no na sanfa bebo yen. That is not what the law says. So what I'm traveling about is say what is it? Crawford so me demonstration, peaceful demonstration, obi ankura sekan, obi ankura tuo. Yours is to guide them. After that, and I say prove say contempt yinini yadi injunction nini. After now, none of the leaders almost will be an injunction. Almost so many injunction. So where is that injunction? Up to today, I don't think it's any cost no massa. About Ghana, say institutions, especially coming from the hills of what is happening at the committee. Okay. Police officers in Penning 40 to some MPP for. Yeah, what retire 3 days. The posters about how to so contested by quiet. Nobody cares. I mean, you are entitled. But so long we say, who say police attack there? Na me sorogo me tax. Ana me papa MPP ne tax. Any idea ma ono. You don't have to use that. Now about out openly abekasa bi de me MPP ni na tiensem we koso ho. Tiensem wo mo deny wo mo agye tum sam pom ne kai. I'm not going, I'm telling you say demonstrations no nobody saying say nkrofo nko say niama no but wo mo constitutional right.
It's Elijah about more demonstrations say they wanted to occupy Jubilee House and run. Concern people say Enra Thursday no na your holiday. Now if you want to occupy Jubilee House, or occupy necessary because a holiday in me for medjuma. Simple petition be na why book na we expect this petition the man. Enye ni ade na please for ebo ho ban ye baby enti ase anya adwuma man ko wie ne e ko wie se ne ho na nra.
Mpa to sa rom ka kire wana. A question am me bisa. And I say once no dey utrimo bisa me question we. Because sa no mo ka kire wo se ne esi ye ni. Because me atesem no e ado so Ghana na me enko ye ne mo no. Is that what the police told you? Simple. You don't choose a date for demonstrators. It is your constitutional right to choose whatever day.
But I'm just saying you are going to occupy.
No, occupy. You can't occupy. Let me tell you one thing. Hey, now say you occupy a order. You can't get into Flagstaff Jubilee House. You can't go in. Obia gate na no wall no near titi form. Ye ada referee lawyers kwankwaram ko ede pen ni amaniama ko go ye Yakobi akotena tena ho ya machi sa eduru ye tra oh pani ho he brabaji wo yi edi yo yate na mo de abane yate. That is demonstration, that is democracy.
And nothing large me bisa say o ko occupy ho no mu a e ho na akotena body de keka na say o de bibi na command penfo tie wasma pese o ka.
No, there are several ways. Say what can na wantia minia United Nations ene de chia o mda so ho me bo ana wo demonstrations are ye tia na akofado uni placards ni red wo mo by gate na no but the police didn't, no brutality wo mo protect wo mo oh yeah stand here show it do this wo mo gina ho sa United Nations na akofado ko ya okokoto asampia keka nsem bia okeka say ni say me kan yakura na emesere. Me, I was with him in Parliament. He knows me, I know him. Masa, United Nations what is it in the Jubilee House? You can't occupy Jubilee. You can't go in.
I like them say it wankasa enyo nwa say oh ye demonstration can say me akire obi. Then if na cast match then only one so still person call.
Oh, there is no way so be ni ho.
One no.
Oh, na person chamse Jubilee House no be any ho.
And no say no be ye abambo for ne one a proper.
Do you know when demonstrators in the planning say omokoko demonstration over a month ago?
They make specific.
I know omo say Thursday and year starting.
Yeah.
And they knew Thursday was a holiday. Yes. They told the people.
Yeah.
So the demonstrators, government, police, they all knew. So Argentina was
because a year Thursday now omo year 1 month ahead notice. It's not saying Jubilee House before no abampen for eternal holiday no.
It wasn't going to be one day, and I won't care what you know. I had 1, 2, 3 days. They were going to be there. Friday.
Why that specific Thursday year holiday?
Now one name say holiday. And then why is it that? Which day do you want it to be?
One is not organizers name say Thursday holiday.
Now what do you want? Which day?
But no organizers name say Thursday holiday.
Take it say when him say Thursday holiday. Yeah. Take it so when him say holiday.
But it can't happen so no one say a holiday.
Me say when him. But they decided say they want to pick it at the place on Thursday.
Maybe so hold the map please for us by Jane. The other side.
What do you want?
No, say please for the intelligence there can be no large. Because we intelligence near say when him say me baba hwe Alhaji Sorogo. Yes, say Alhaji Sorogo no so still make na match Alhaji Sorogo. So then ipa be sha ase adwen. Dear be mu atena se me twa Alhaji Sorogo.
Because I did not cost no. Mani nje enti am prepare.
Only ho.
There be someone one day na me ko. Me say me kwa kwatena ho 3 days.
That specific day na was starting now say
different no na wo person come start. Why are you telling me? Enti nkom ko start ko si ada. Maybe some question. Go question anke.
Maybe so nipa akono say only one more.
Say.
Go question anke. So say question adwuma
aso. Come me ndanke.
Woni say sada okay omo nya adwuma.
So why do have you gotten to know the reason why they decided to go on Thursday?
Etina make us intima please for so bob bent. Omo so be dream nientia. What decided say a day ye holiday nipa na person ko asem tini wa still person ko that day.
Well, e bia na on police for no mo bibia me nim enti no ane the major amount. Because e bia na only police for na dey nkomo amama church say because baby all days are equal within the 7 days of the month. When I'm a demonstrator, I decide the day that I want to demonstrate.
Okay.
I gave a letter. I informed the police for a long time. Okay. They may demonstrate this day. Police never wrote back to say, "Dana mobekono, a holiday in Timamonko." Hey, I was a dear Babechi. Ami yako police force yakwa kwaji injunction. Okay. Injunction is Sankai. Jane Mensa yakwaji injunction was a Mensankai. 3 days later was more fun my lawyers. Mensankai. Almost yakwaji contempt was a Mensankai. What is the problem? Why? Na dia babechi mi yakono. Osi Jane Mensa my example be say adia babechi mo start no and you say di injunction brano. Satan why arrangements in area. Are you also saying say for over 1 month my plan trauma police force yabekono adie ba bechimi yakono na police for wa ka say yakokot yatumika kokot akoje injunction.
Okay,
injunction no so ayehu
mira salat Alhaji Amadi Sorgo, a former MP for Medina constituency. Ernest
Kwasi sase mi ya beto we medi ho abobo adwen ho kakra fiti en na asemi beto dwa na no kwepa ne say about demonstrations no fundamental for human rights and democracy. And you know, essence fundamental for human rights and democracy. And you know, Ghana mamra eboni pebia ho ban a opese oye chere chere impeni4 and that's what they are doing pobi etudwa. Enti e ban bono ewo ho nso no nhihye nso wo ho no ma esese nipa no e de udi so. Bible say wadi nyina ho kwan. Na emo no nyeni nyina na fatan. The fact say wo ho kwan na no nche say utisi mu ana wo ye ana so the ration sa Alhaji ka say you say enye police for enema permission and a police for into me share date no enye police for enema permission but according to the Public Order Act no emra wo ana say there are procedures we say we so nti ekobani say when these are procedures ne so a na say bi wankasa oni nipa na timamufo na pese oye sa oye che oni yen ayeden endin ye mama kan baby kitwe bi nche esan say emri ndi woni no section 1 it is headed as your friend is saying notification to the police of special events subsection 4 it can kakra because of the okan it say where a police officer is notified of a special event under subsection 1 has reasonable grounds to believe that the special event, if held, may lead to violence or endanger public defense, public order, public safety, public health, or the running of essential services, or violate the rights and freedoms of other persons. He may request the organizer to postpone the special event to another date or to relocate the special event.
Okay.
So what I say, until although police for Emma permission, police for ewo ho kwan say, what the nsem ne betu o manim a, omutimi determine say, ade a odi abetu yenimi, ebe affect public health ana, e de oye ne beba omanim, e de basa ebeba, ebesi nipa bi e freedom a omo wo ho kwan ana. So police for yes assessment no mususu say oye che na opesa oye no, ebe ya kwansidie ama nipa foforo bi a, police for no ho kwan so omo ka che say tu sheda. And I say different date. Police for no one kwan say baby a wo de ade na ekofa no say ebe affect ni pekuo bi a ebe affect essential service ebe affect dwumadie bi o man ni mu a omo won kwan say omo che say tu sheda and baby a wo kofa no kwampo emfa honom. Which part of this don't we understand? And I say kobani say police etimi akokot na court decide say wa ma injunction say bi nyame dem na yema o and ye man fofofo sa. It is based on certain grounds. It won't sort of when be a granting injunction. Not just we meeting the grounds and answer requirement. And now I say was a police for any meeting. And my ultimate granted injunction. Okay. Now on my meeting answer now granted injunction.
Facha, my main kind statement here, Ghana Police Service at the bar on Wednesday, a day before demonstration. near injunction as about okay, how we will situate it. Please file application to prohibit planned demonstration by Democracy Hub Group.
They filed it when? Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday in a statement you buy. Also, the police have filed an application at the court and successfully served the organizers of a group identifying itself as Democracy Hub in connection with a planned demonstration within the vicinity of the Jubilee House from Thursday 21st to Saturday 23rd September 2023. As we wait for the court to determine the matter, we wish to urge the public to take note and disregard any calls from any individual or groups, encouraging them to assemble for a demonstration at the Jubilee House. We equally wish to urge the organizers to respect the due process in the interest of public order and public safety.
No. Mami, come on, sir.
Reading, till reading my enina, me patrol, near what kinds is here. Would him send some American always on to me? Would you, Casa?
Why should I mean, I do this? Oh, the American I do, and I can was on nation. 18, I'm reading Public Order Act, and they've situated it. Nienti a omakwakoje injunction. Alaji. My dear, I'm wakasa several minutes. Why can't you? No. It's not acceptable. Nyabute. No, I do one account. Nyabute. I had a lot of issues that I kept quiet. So what I say, it's almost 30. Say for public safety. Okay. 18 on my head. I'm making sure say omako secure sa injunction. No. It is omako secure injunction. Say be injunction ponche say. Untumi enye demonstration no. It is simply saying say anywhere idea untumi enye den enye. For now you cannot do it. It is oko na court ni determine assembly we are. Then you proceed on another date. Sabi in some way ken any the we are nuanom come say demonstration kwan. What is the purpose of demonstration? Demonstration na so yeche ne fire by nyina ne say bibi koso a wo oni aban na mpanifo adwen enyepe. Ana opesa ochi omanfo ene mpanifo adwen sisu se bibi koso a oni omadwen nyepe kwesi enye sa na ochi opani adwen si asem so a se bi nye tuo na odi kosi ni so se bi untimi enforce nipa ne se decision na eni wu nsem se obe make no untimi enforce nipa ne se o make eti adwen che na wo che ana nipa adwen na wo twe siso ana demonstration obetimi akọ demonstration ene bibia ni wa che se anu yie no ene na wonsa beka no. In prepping, no call demonstration. Anu yen is for a future date. Ebi ompa a posterity and a bejaje will say demonstration akwesi any an eskumi call ebi at the year 2005 no and now afi 2023 emrea che say san samo omo kan nke tie oma nko man na ma mesi say bi nipa be na ewu a alaji ne nkofo pese omo koji ne nkwanti a chenchena achi a omo anye ne sa de na bibibesi enipa be na ewu eti sebi ye kan sama sebi yen kama nipa nyina enti ase ye amanyofo ye na equity sa problems ye ankasa ema ye ho so I say demonstrations are sometimes here even before a demonstration e be sha ase no the needless bravado yen sem keka empuatwa any other pie sometimes be trap police calling the bluff of the police off na de bia me ka say so what till them now sorry now kasa ti say wo bomb and na say wo amoka SUV a wan hwe ya bambofo and the forces beba of fear say omo ba be detonate sa bomb no because o kasa mu che say bibi sa wo fear so when you see where Iraq Emra Saddam Hussein join the news of weapons of mass destruction US wants some forces and cause say omo nko share those weapons that is how states work e don't mean say na oko almost are normal describing a peaceful demonstration an event that has not taken place you describe it is the characteristics of the event and I'll be describing as peaceful me boy enye ade ni siwia enia oye chef woni ye omusuba amodedi na say we will call demonstration akọ to bo ni ade bo police can it still be described as peaceful
okay but
minka say but I'm saying that afen ade ni ba besi but when police catch us say ade na oba be no samre na okoyem no ontimi ma ho kwan a you cannot sit here and say oh it's just a peaceful demonstration and all my allow demonstrations be see or mining
okay so they are asking say injunction now please for some kwaji
away hwe obi obeka cho so monsan kan injunction bi omoboa Wednesday ade a wo kan e kwa na me hu ye before I saw this notice from the police na me ti baby minimum demonstrators ni bi he was on call no money on call for have a discussion and they were contemplating whether say omon koso and answer more omon koso.
When they are still aware.
Wednesday when they were still aware. Obio, if you kwa opa mumbo tape ni bia endra na insentro for ni bi mu yi no. Want to say lawyer ba ko ka say ana injunction so makoji injunction kwampa enye social media injunction. So what are we talking about? The same alaji so go not ya no say my yemfa te say munye adwuma. But no say the otite ni say injunction ne kra ne nkofo ne nsank. I mean, what are you saying? The police have served us official notice. Yankofa Sebi, Alaji Atisem Nemfanye Juma. You have read the police notice. They were charitable enough, say, even though they have served the people, they served as the general public too. So the question say why they na Yankofa? If he said no, onyabuche say yamfa ye ni ehu a, say nsuo to ye na yanti ade echi efom afọ ne so ye ehu. It is a police for the omode command call for the so-called democracy hub for no, and ye ehu a, serving in public notice ne so ye ehu. What are you saying? I don't know my dear girl, my
and there's a real place for a handle.
Yeah.
Demonstrators.
Yeah.
I think say a mere besne trim kunde be a case looks as if please crowd controlling nimbina form.
Because I agree with you, there may be excesses by the police.
Yeah.
So what I say, I know that it is the police administration. They have a standard operating procedure. It is up to the police to look at it over the period. How well they felt in terms of crowd control. So what I say, now the only man you need no better now say Kufuor aye demonstrations ago, and Kufuor aye demonstrations. Me sorry, I'm saying Kufuor aye demonstrations by 100 in the past. Now my tears him now me violating laws all in the name of Kufuor aye bintimi sumeyebi. We don't do that. Some call for ya almost say ye demonstration. Almost say film say democracy hub.
Yes.
Now what democracy hub? And I will say, BB cost or mining, and I will say when in Jehon, and our person will train ya dream so. Now, sir, dream now, person will treat so no. As I can't wait so near your fast or and call for dream so. In the first place, one casa would yamra, and our person will correct you and say, yama. How can we even side with you? Ready and almost a democracy up, and you cannot even obey simple tenets of democracy. Since she share there to say this no, untimi de so. And yes, so side way so. It is said you be the counterfeit. Akoto we. Ni ache no side the counterfeit na bribe police ni. What ya dance at all? Oman kasa omni ye amuye no. Prove say etimu po na omde kwaya den say bi entwe ye. Because other than that, sana me kan no. What is the purpose of the demonstration? It is a demonstration now no. Ne fire by ni say ye twi mpanifo adwen bibi so. Ye kan mpanifo say bibi koso e mining ana enko ya.
Okay.
And I mean, besides, say emergency bend the womb. Say police for two, sa or ye chen echo shed that for obibewu. Bibi boy and my no man can say what here on tempo. What is the reason to call the demonstration? No, say, a memo ni nkoye. Na memo nkoya ya de dekope. A memo nkoya, kosi say. Abino and fear 9 beko ne wie aye nyina beko post ni akwose science ano. What can you do? You can only force the government to listen to you and take some of your advices or the solutions you are professing. By say, Sebi, gidi see a man called demonstration to say police say to share that. Say we wedding. Then now be. Okay,
so about 20 years, sir, and 22nd September 2023, exactly 10 a.m. IGP invited the organizers of the demonstration for a meeting. Organizers also more issue statement was said they are continued demonstration and a day 2 of the demonstration.
You see,
and pay 10 o'clock.
Asama yeke. Asama yeke. Nye no dem.
NSC 1 minute.
Asama yeke say na dem. For you to have said say even the demonstrators said they are continuing the demonstration. Enche timu papa. Enche adrimpa. And check people want to be responsible citizens.
But no, the car catch us say, oh, yeah, 3 days demonstration.
Yes, but from day one,
Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Day one, BBSC. And now me catch us say, Mona Musia say, Monsanka police for injunction notice. No, Monsanka, Omanka Sanso serving notice as a police administration. Notice in Yana Okanche, serving notice made them neither. It's from the police administration. Oma service our notice way so account. It is a day one no mako na BBS nenye na police for stop him. How do you say day 2 o san kwa akoto aso?
Because no
why as you are being invited for a meeting? go into the meeting and have the discussion with Bambo.
So tika wo de come suspend and de no until so many IGP will
exactly the point I'm in time bisa say oye che na omo ye no sebi ensachae be na ne dua we no omo sa oye che na de be buy in society until o say chinchina chia na e wo so omo ye
omo se ne man ko ye
na o se ne man ko ye a na make no ene man ko ye akoto aba and ye di to me asha aban ni sa so what I say nti ene man ko ye a aban ni decisions and obe vary and ameboa
okay
decisions aban be vary no sebi 1 minute and 1 hour na ye dey day and a better keep place.
Maybe be a bind here.
A bind here. No serving notice or call them say police at it. Say it to me for ya. Be a man swat. Be
a man penny empty.
So person now will be saying say man penny ni ko person or manity no. Ono ko ani o man nim. E so change na mo say mo person mo manity.
Oh good God.
Oh, I don't know any abuche sir. You don't do that. Please. We have to respect each other. No, you don't do that.
Please don't.
No, we have to respect each other. No, listening to you. Why can't you tolerate me?
No. Don't go there.
Where do you want me to go?
Don't say let's respect each other.
But I respected you. I need to respect me. My dear,
but I
the
that is why I'm drawing his attention.
Drawing his attention to what?
My brother,
I could have drawn his attention. That's how you behave.
And I'm not surprised to say only.
Why would you be surprised? Why would you be surprised? I'm not surprised on your 2 ideas.
12 years.
1 year then. And you pay the 30 years.
You are giving them that chance. Look,
you don't do that.
What can letter? And you could have said, honorable, yes, what do you want to say about letter? What can you read? I say, never be brave. My
letter no can I mean I'm kind.
Ubenya bre.
You can go. That's your problem. That's not my problem.
No.
I didn't bring you here. I didn't invite you here.
Yeah, but you can invite me here.
Exactly. So allow me to take my time. What's your problem then? You keep interrupting me.
What kind of interruption?
Ernest, you wrap up. 30 seconds.
Yes. No question say.
Okay.
Utimu fa antiamwa emku.
Okay.
So what I say.
Okay.
Ensem bebre nipa bebre kan nyina no. You say patapa pie to the mra na ro.
Okay.
It is a way ni mra so a mra ni ubedi. It is demonstrators they just have to be careful and obey what the law says it is.
Okay. Ernest, Yakumi, member of the MPP National Communications team na etene kan. Alaj.
Me first and foremost, me di wo ya kakra. Onu se me da masem de me fancy. Hwe sorry the letter now. Okay. We were talking about injunction. TNE situation issue ni ye.
Okay.
O say injunction ye dia ma. Me make at them say organizers up to today. Omo so omo hu injunction bia. Omo lawyers so omo hu injunction bia.
Okay.
O say injunction ye dia ma. Then you read the letter.
Okay, so on Wednesday.
What is the heading of the letter?
And a place for this statement we
statement. What is the heading of the statement?
Please file application to prohibit planned demonstration by Democracy Hub Group.
Thank you. Read.
The police have filed an application at the court and successfully served the organizers of a group identifying itself as Democracy Hub in connection with a planned demonstration within the vicinity of the Jubilee House from Thursday 21st to Saturday 23rd September 2023. As we wait for the court to determine the matter, we wish to urge the public to take note and disregard any calls from any individuals or groups encouraging them to assemble for a demonstration at the Jubilee House. We equally wish to urge the organizers to respect the due process in the interest of public order and public safety.
Thank you very much. I think that when you serve, you don't serve in a vacuum.
Okay.
What serve will be.
Yeah.
It has come out. Everybody is asking the police to say,
okay,
why now we're up to now? No, we have asked that question. Everybody. Organizers say, lawyers say, Obian serve ye. Mube serve munchira one and serve no till today. This is a letter which has been written or a statement issued by the police. The people are saying that we haven't seen it. You serve somebody, the person may even sign or whatever it is. Say, believe Nediko is when you serve them. Why now serve no till today? We don't know. Then number two. So if we see a serve one more, do you think it's one benya courage? Say ne. They will decide to say Omokwako continue. If they have been saved,
okay.
Would you one benya courage say ne? Yes, I continue kwako serve biom. Then number two, Mati bibi mam ho adwiri mi. Say akofo do ni wa Ghana entrance in chance akofo do beba. I am shocked. Sir, see, I didn't know the command, President had the command when you were UN. And the Ghana and Tenancy and train Sako for the free UN aba. And sign a Ghana Beko and Nimakonim. Problem of what? Mayor Sovo, Yeni Vice President, Yeni Obia, Sako for the new Obiano, Adumanagu. I am shocked to hear this. Number 3, Master. Democracy no our canon. Say, Obia one right, the same right, the same constitution, no, and almost the Namso. You have every right to demonstrate against a fundamental human rights. Who are right to demonstrate against the same Akufo-Addo, Mekane na kane china. Demonstrate, kumi preku, siemi preku, wiemi preku, ni nyina odi animo no. The same thing. Nobody treated them the way it is. It's the same law. 1992 constituency no, constitution ni change. Okay? And it's simple and straightforward. RGP, afre omo. I don't know what is going to happen. I will urge them, say they should respond to the meeting of the RGP.
Okay.
And then they can discuss it. But let nobody think, he said, we would choose when you should go for your demonstration. We would choose what you have to say at the demonstration. We will choose to receive you the day we want to receive you. Nobody can take that.
Okay, to me really way so. Please for so mu share organizers no. Ni omo catch mo for the date and location of demonstration. Please, in the interest of public order, public safety, among others, requested organizers to relocate the demonstration.
I am hearing this. I am hearing this. In the public order. Now, they are no more saying that there is an injunction. Now, we are moving from one post to another. Now, they are saying that they should relocate.
Also,
They should relocate.
Yeah, catch say.
And then what happened?
Relocate demonstration. Maybe on person quiet demonstrate. I picketing now say occupy no. They should relocate.
And then what happened?
And
Bank of Ghana.
Maybe probably
minority.
Yeah.
We plan a demonstration. Big one. And this is from one.
Yeah.
Nkrofo free say Bank of Ghana is a part of problem I facing in Ghana. So many different groups. This day we met. Court. We were served with an injunction. Served properly. The minority leader the injunction was brought. No problem. The injunction can only go to a certain limit. You cannot perpetually injunct somebody.
Yeah.
You know it. The police must not use the courts
to
do the administration of the country. Never. The court would want to know. Adenti and awuye. Court no. Court no say police. Defect. I was shocked. Side defect, you dismiss it. But police court no more can say there be more here because nyamo and also deba. Attorney General and also deba. Into a defect. Monsan fan come back. Nyanko ye ni ye na monsan famra. What is it? The minority listened. And democracy. They said they should change the route. You don't determine the route. Look, what is the essence of a demonstration? It's for the people to feel that something is going on.
But that's a lie.
Now, so I go demonstrate. I can go demonstrate to my bedroom. And I'm not my bedroom.
But that's a lie.
If you don't go for the people to know a DNA cause war, that is the effect of that demonstration.
Okay.
And to the master, nobody is above the law. Demonstrators are not above the law. Police are not above the law. Akufo-Addo is not above the law. MPs, everybody, we are all equal before the law. And so, si akati several law no, ya several ni enjai ni yeye no. I don't know for so demonstrations sir. Why? Why are people running away from demonstrations?
Amadu Sorogo attacking Ernest Yakumi personally?
No, please, why did I attack him?
Alhaji, deliver your message and leave Ernest Yakumi out.
But what have I done to Yakumi?
Baraka Suraj, anyway, bye. Good morning, Akwesi. I'm watching you live from Adenta. This is the best morning show ever. MPP will surely win. Dr. Usofri Akoto will win. There should be calm in this country, no matter what. King George, Boafo, and so anyway, Eba. Ernest, Mamuna, Uncle Famula.
Kwesi.
Yes.
Asempa 8 here.
Okay.
On say we now can no police were indicated say omudi kan democracy hub for no so called for no share no.
Okay.
Omo catch omo say
I know this so called actually.
Say you for democracy hub. And I want to mean the tenets of democracy.
You are determining it.
You say, I do allergy, maintain you.
Master, but why do you want to listen when I'm murmuring?
But why am I talking? You are snobbing. Why?
So as you laugh.
You see, oh, that was so you're the behavior.
No, I don't know what you want me to do.
Don't worry.
David, but what do you want me to do?
Open the language. Oh, I do. I
don't understand.
So the woman come as I can democracy have for the omo person omo ye no. Odi kotu police for the police for chair say location now person okoya ade na nkasa be affected public order. Won sem kan any ade omo chair say even time a person ye no emboa. Nti police for ni udi nkoma wanti ase na ma ko seek injunction. Injunction who can notice you say it has been successfully served. Alaji say ade nti na omo ambo nipa omo serving nti sebi police for estate group ni din wo mo democracy hub. Osanso say ombo nipa omo de injunction no e command din sebi ombo meme ya odi ana ombo kwasinsia din ye for democracy hub enye ku eti ekuo na mokoya de police has indicated by their notice to the public say it's been successfully served to who? To democracy hub ombo omudin wo letter nim edin be biem na alaji expect so ombo say on team fi organize the service organizer decided say omon kanokra a whole state institution has issued a notice wo say wonji anundi why then yenkojindi yenkoji say bi nipa bi agina baby enti na mi court ma che wo say omo lawyer endra na demonstration ko one of the lawyers omo say omo representative stated say mo say mo akoji injunction for enye social media injunction na mo be serve. Look at what he was saying. It means that he acknowledged that we who bibi. I have sat here personally to tell you, say, and because so the day before, they were contemplating, say, omunye demonstration and answer omunye because of injunction now police for then ako seeking. And then what ya now say police for day too. Was that on Safra say, Mumrani entinasi, near Ninkomo. And if a police state you was say, omuni won't some bear demonstration. And if a police say, omuni right or mining some bear demonstration. Sebi. We cannot create distortions in our mind and invite the general public to discuss our own distortion. What even creating in Sambio team now me frey on my phone say yembra and yembe discussing. We are discussing what is right and what is wrong. And near mukoya demonstration sabi obi amanie sa obi. Say na yet say innocent people bystanders a mutwe mu keke kra no. No mo share red ni adinti no. Omo koka adwam ana meboa. It is said you two anamo na police shall say one namu two a wutu no emwa at this particular time. It is fashion that fofra. Asem way TV da. Eti na bibisa say what is the emergency situation attached to sir even raised concern in here susu say intimini police for engine and planning the very day I was call demonstration. Okay. And I find police watch say sebi asem kan sesa nsem kan. And it's a question me say demonstration be anywhere oh yeah anu ye no instant. It is some of the demonstration ne kwa oh ye no posterity ne be judge. Some of the anu ye oh ye no ye one more ye di to me asho mo san. It's just a matter of time. O mana mo tu betu and e be che say one sama de ko die o mo nipo no o ma so mo anasa o mo so mu. Now where there's a Takashini needless bravado na obi antimi stop here ni ebeye who is stopping you? You just have to follow due process. NS Yakumi, a member of the MPP National Communications team. Alaji Amarugo, a former MP for Medina constituency. Now say some more action kumori. Ye we by ba. Ye call a second topic, so Electoral Commission and limited voter registration. And I can say a idea. GS Amakwan say from 2 students ebetimi akọ no mo so akọ omo edin ebra so say my boys no ediskamula time game pa mo wi ne nyina mo trinkwa wa wi ni aso ka kire on 12 at 6 pm o sa akonya so betwa na abedi mo modi nyina nso mo trinkwa ma ya de mo ni kakra sa no na say so boys no A very good morning to Dasibre Oseibonsuyo Tosmieno Asantema Mpohene, occupant of the Silver Stew. Akra Mishra, no nyokese, kopim so be kesepa. Then to the municipal chief executive of Asantema Mpo, Municipal Assembly, Thomas Apia Kubi. Yami, enchira wonso. Ene ejmapa woye, Badwam Mpensenpensemu. Let's topic alaj. Electoral Commission
limited registration GS are granted say form 2 students ebetimi akona afi almost akakotwe mudin no manya voters ID card to about 2024.
Well, I call back to police in Semu Akosono. I don't want to go back because there's a lot of things Mekasa me sa uremwa ebi ebe take the whole ayini nyina, but me bompire say Ghana police ma yemfa politicization no ekoso Ghana institutions ni nyina ye turning into political parties no enuru ho eduru ho amwayen because I'm telling Semu a free IGP commissioner of police mention ya woko enru achi ya and some of kind asara no nsema omokeka na ne ekoso no na ehadwene usi GS ama second year students.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what impact it's going to make.
What?
Simple and straightforward. Yeah, ma omo kwampo no omo no omo ntimi register. Me use me am case study Medina. Medina first day, nipa over 500 buy. Okay. They registered 34. Second day, Bibeka home, the same 500, they registered 88. Third day, because machines from the buy in 40. How machines me and son buy me? You don't need a start here and in kapam from the call regional office. The third day, I'm register 84.
Okay.
Ipano bua nebu faso. Fifth day, fourth day, I'm register 116.
Okay.
And wachi, no more buy 205, 207, 209. No more call back 170. That be obeko ne nipa dom epimpim ho youth. Kwesi ada wa mom say oh mom just 2 days and I'm just 2 days or say 3 days pen on their mom. Already no nkrofo wo ha omo akwa omo nyan register. Or no more, but how many of them are going to get chance to register? Just the weekend. Nipa say. Is this what we want on here? Penny say 2019, 2020 Electoral Commission atimia be 1,950 registration centers. At the time when it was only 1 year, and then a backlog and register here. Why say 2020, 21, 22, 23? Electoral Commission will be only 268 polling stations, registration centers. 268.
I see a queen out for our one.
Masa, into one and train. Near Yakrano Amatia, Mura Hokran say, oh, we need a district assembly election. And you know, your best be BAP. Masa, I know near Yasini Bibiano. Your democracy in Fapimina, I am from the foundation, unit committee, assembly, before you go to the members of parliament. You get what I mean? And this has here ono enya dia masa them forget it nti ase bi enya dwuma nti wo kan kire obi a wono constitution no ahyaw say anybody who is 18 years and of sound mind you anya say me you shall make sure so we register to vote in public elections. One can say to vote in parliamentary and presidential in public elections including assembly, unit committee, presidential, parliamentary. Na say sa constitution no was say this one when this 2020. When this what buagu 2021. 2022 one ye. Wo ye ya enka numbers no e ka krebo na me no because am for so sa. What the 4 years apem so. At the time when 1 year pe no kra no. Wo call ye no wo be 1,950 because on court na court no order house there be untimi. Now increase here. We see we target an person registered near 500 2019. At the end of the NDC, you can say between 1 million and 1.5. At the end of the day, who hobby they registered almost 1.3 million for that time. Say see a move up cancer target between 1.2 and 1.5. That is what J. Mensa said from the beginning. Say most of the Milikaba, semi revival target number 700. Masa, for 1 year, 1.5 years, you know, you register a NIPA 1.2. For 4 years, you know, most you register NIPA only 700 because baby a man for was so called cross in show. Look, the way Ghana is here ding. Now constitution the amount every year no register mono. Who what buso you don't care. You have decided to pile 1, 2, 3, 4 years. And then you decide on your own, say, media konikon, me kwa register only And constituencies here, how many constituencies?
260.
275 plus 1.
Yeah.
276. But why I say we see register with 268?
Okay. So Alaj Yenshwe Adiwe. Jemensa raise concern be say MPs can be a yana a year because the special committee of parliament and a share of budget no nyina eso. A day or more deliberation. Raise concern about the budget allocation they made the electoral commission. In this case, Senebeya emanen kobro suma sebi eka ememro muntino. Omo limiti omo to the budget na ya allocate.
No brother. Me my own kind simple. When did this service in your by? Master, let's go back. 77 previous. I hurry anymore kosulo. Okay. Right from the word go no. Jemensa never nobody spoke about financial matters. Sribo Kasai, one can't just kasem ebe hajuni. Boss Masari Kasai, he never mentioned. Boss Masari Kwade was say election ya by force. Open wakoye. Asari, Sribo say munchen mo amanya na munchen na next year baby. And the assembly election when you know person okotono. Train you intentionally. Who the franchise synchroform to assembly. Nobody spoke about money because electoral commission went with 56 million as their budget. Everything was approved, not even one city. They never parliament baba out, but already about out there. Food in say Jane Mensa should never try. The problem I create to so no one for mefa parliament because sikenyi now demand or the buy on parliament approve man. Knowing very well say because okay. And they know there totally out. Okay. Jane Mensa was reason. Look, you can say democracy idea. Rule by the majority. Yeah. Nipa be baby. And the main core point of every electoral commission is to make sure say one more me eligible no when register one more. It is only in Ghana and that the electoral commission is making every effort. Say one register one more or we due for whatever reasons they know. And then political parties one about out. Almost one year APEC meeting. Omo kind. Mama so omo hardly Monday be say share near hu near the battle. Adiche ya and one also. So being from 12th September to 2nd October. I'm on call baby brain, send me brave ya. My minister Peter. Why? Because me, I think it's a my small come from the word go say APAC is only an adversary. APAC, I am by force. Mutufo. Mutufo. James has repeated it several times.
Say no credit.
No, not by no credit, but has he forgotten say when she was at IE? She was always, I'm telling you, said there's no day. So there's no day. At a men's meeting, APAC invited me as the chairman for trade and industry of parliament. Me free what I'm be a chairman for mines and energy. Anytime why invite me, Mr. Mensa be invite me. Nikunu. Chairman, Brian, never started. Yes, one doctor, Kwachi something. Yeah. I come home. One also one way invite me. Alaji Brown, chairman, brother, yenye never end. Jane Mensa work. Or no can be. And a lot of reforms about her. Say, look at where we are coming from. Wow. Yeah. And he said, what when you hope penny dear. Now so you're a lawyer. Now the law tells you say every year will be when you're 18 biano, register no. I just an more and now no because I mean person. In this case, the youth are ready. Koko shenko from Guho. Now say only 1 year for what me be 1,950 centers are. And yet then 4 years no. We now so be only 268. When you even know that there are 275 constituencies. And the other constituencies in Mra office, 3 of them, Yamra one place and Yamame. Where on this?
But as Alaj.
Okay. They know what they're about. Okay. But Ghanaian people have determined say a cost rubber from you for on the register. Because if you are no better, okay, who do you bet now? And 10% the cop. And you haven't seen that. But I say, Alaj Abadu Sorogo. Who got about to so? Have a 10%. As I'm been
Electoral Commission, limited voter registration.
Kwesi, no kwene say, Ghana Mamra say, Obibia obedi 18 years and above. And I dream of down. I say, Bionia dream of Cabiano. Or coins or register na Otoaba. Yeah. And the Electoral Commission, we do some Mpensenpensemu. Electoral Commission on coins say, Obibi. And as Obama Quenyano, Ama and for a register. It is a GES for say, Ama form tools for na Quenya, so no monko register a semper. better say yɛbɛma nneɛma mu ayɛ mmerɛ ama nkwara no na ɔmatumi anya akwanya akɔ register asin sɛ akwara bi out of desperation ɔno ankasa bɛfa kɔti kwan bi so ati esi mountain so sɛ ɔno ankasa akɔpɛ akwanya akɔ register if it is officially declared sɛ ɔmutumi kɔ na ɔmukɔ register at least school authorities be making provisions schools need be or buses near the betimi dia fa nkwara no e dey amako centers na akwa register. It gives a way for a more organized opportunity for nkwara to be registered. Now so ya anya ni sa na koban sa akwara bi o school no ofre ne maame no ofre no person of faculty kwan bi so timi ko no ko register na nya ne kwan so anti e boji yes for abaso say omo sa na mo e dey support oman no as a form of civic responsibility. Eti ne kwan so ano no easy for nso ayade say abrenya no omutimi gauge the mood and as omudin hyehyɛ pa eto ema etimi improve yen electoral systems no kwesi me ne wo ka say no ye sha ase efi baby ani aba bedu baby aya bedu easy for show intent say bi say na ya ye nuanom timi beka che so ukwa amanone a obi dane dem otimi register obi dane dem otimi to aba online meboa na ya bani abeka ne de you can do this in Germany ni I say ne ka ana ukwa abrochi ana I say edu ye nkwan so say ye beye bia na ni pekuo bi si omompe and sometimes I beats my imagination. What kind of makeup are we? As here the papa bi aniwa ye pe e woti oman mu anum say se kobani say there is any process improvement be boa ama establish system bia ya very mu pe obenya ni pekuo bi no ma sorry say da ye de chinchina cha ye nti ase da isi fo ache intent say baby ayaba bedu no omo person moving forward no yetimi nya continuous registration exercise. It is sanity bi and ye be sha ase o baby ni akwa wie o baby. It this time around on person here registration no, at the district level. Then going forward we can have continuous registration. To me there, but for the cost associated with enipa bi say enipa bi we chichi ni ade a on be free eba be sa registration no. There's nothing wrong with it. Making it a continuous registration exercise. It is a chair who say this limited registration exercise there's going to be continuous registration exercise. Obi abetimi asori afi ni fie oko EC center oko no akọ register na capture udi ewo system no. Omo che say sa nyuma we nyina omo ye to prevent gerrymandering ni oye ni edu elections registrations ni ade ekofa ba no. Eti omo tu sa na mon we ni ade avoid this Oma ye hyehyɛ e de akọ dan parliament omo call ye no so parliament amom mapo bi na wo ka say omo koti say sika won hyehyɛ kwa ye de mom no it does not allow them alaji say say omo kan say it's an afterthought. Even if it is an afterthought it is part of their reasons omo face say ene no omo ntumi ye and entisa parliament is also a house of records. See any parliamentarians feel say they all can say produce the committee report.
They've come out already.
Allergy.
They've come out. Maybe you didn't hear. They've come out.
Parliament is a house of records. Omo fa records no emetuja. Omo no omo si omo call no. And omo nim betwe nkomodi den say na omo di tuja. Enti say report na ewo no che say bibie ni wa etisa you put it out the way enye boapayobia. But they've stated their essential reasons. Enti omo feel say the ekonu ebeboa. Look, be it as it may, if we find it difficult today, we will find it difficult tomorrow. Because as in Timupona or Macheni say, going forward, no, they are going to center it our district offices. But the local governance structure, so many can say, oh, Ghana, Canada, you go to the district office. It is mostly centered around the district office. And you say, oh, Kwako register or card our district officer. And I make a kind of woman and a area. But that is the structure. A lot of institutions are based at the district level. Now, I can say sometimes the way I come here, meeting has there ever been a record? Our mind when we say, and Nipekuobia disenfranchised say, easy registration you do or no, and many do a short and as Nipebi register bidder. But all over the period, no, so even if a menako base a nipani bia kecha, easy to me extended period, no, a man call for no register. It is, all over the period, no, or gauge the mood or gauge baby a registration na kwa kodu. Now we decide say, obe extended date, no, and I say date na or no, obe chaswana, That has been our experience as a country. Me who baby and nipa na bochenku. So mo ko register mo do easy for say chinchina chia and na yapon ye register. Ebi si o man mu da. Ebi si a e wa so to record
so the challenge always say this. You be call district assembly election. You be call to assembly members aba.
Yeah.
Looking at the period in the electoral commission at the ban.
Yeah.
Even career extension, any date here, day assembly election, the fear in Sebiation, Nanipa be a young quaint me and register and to Sabano Ebi.
Question, no credit. Easy for say about to assembly elections the 19th December.
Yeah.
Sebi, sa limited registration period will be for how many days? 21 or 20 something so a bet double on there's no way he's going to eat into the assembly elections. The assembly elections on 19th December.
Yeah, but there are processes.
Oh, I think no, you don't need to help me. I could have helped you. What's your problem?
There are processes. So you can't wait for cancel time on us. There are several things about an assembly election about.
Okay.
So you cannot just say that. And a continuous I want to correct him. It gives room for continuous registration. CI21. One go check it. On checking you into no kasa with the new one about. CI now one kasa the year it gives room for continuous election.
Ernest,
we have to do our homework well.
Yeah, man, Nyamima because Nisa more Kano. Baby, you are Obiaka say, was all train ecosi say. Election time they do and so Saturday we the same thing 2020 yaba emra isika so about registration for the same day now mo call court then a court ni kokan at the end they had the opportunity omo matimemufo akwanya enumpo anamo say the period is short there's no way isi betumi aye ni nyina echi no yetimi register atimemufo nyina eti na maybe say if there is any record I say emri bi edu nipa bochenku so mo call register easy for our man register or my let it be indicated. And I produce some record
registration.
Alaji, the facts I'm tolerating.
No, but you ask a question. No,
I do what I do, so I know what is all this. Oh, yeah, now you show
2019 limited registration.
They are the best judges of Subaya where display will show you. No, because Subaya will display no. You
Martina has several times. Several times. You are not telling the truth.
It is easy for easy for easy for send it to Biano. Sakobani say Nipani Bimpono. Enya akwenya minim say e wa rehemu say sana emre atwemu no omo ye no saa no mbe ya ma
me say NST akumi alaji abadu sorgo ye da bonyina master ahwefo so ye da so wonya bre na ohwe me de akwasins nyame adoma juada o ma hene kwabra sante eno be de ahia